Hey guys, this is the Traveling Texas Kid, and today we are traveling to the 1950s and early 60s. The 50s and 60s were known for the vintage cars and trucks that car enthusiasts today take to car shows and county fairs. Today I am visiting my papa. He is working on his old Ford truck. He is going to give us some background on his old truck. What model is the truck?
A 1964 Ford F100.
What engine does the truck have?
223.
What do you enjoy most about restoring and working on cars?
I like to take old looking cars and trucks and make them look like new again.
Are you planning on taking the truck to local car shows?
Yes, we're going to car shows.
What do you enjoy about the car shows?
And talking to all the people there.
Can you tell me about the history and what it's like about this truck?
This truck ain't got but 54,000 miles on it, and it runs real well.
How long did it take to restore the truck?
Approximately 1 year.
Is this your favorite old car?
Right, it's the favorite old truck car.
Have you won any awards with the red truck?
Yes, we got first place, second place, in a lot of places.
Do you do all the work yourself?
Mostly all myself, plus with family help.
About how many trophies do you have?
Approximately 40.
I'd like to say thank you for restoring these historical cars and spending time with me, showing me and teaching me about these antique cars. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos on antique cars. Please like and subscribe to my channel so my channel will continue to grow. These are just a few of the trophies he has. He has many more.
This is gonna do.